Alright guys, let us take a look at the gold market today. Okay, so if we take a look at this H1 time frame, okay, this area over here, okay, so this one is a demand zone, right? This one is a ready base ready, so which means this one is a zone, demand zone that go basically playing around, tap into the zone, and then before bouncing back up over here. Okay, so again, when actually it rejected from this zone here, okay, it create another bullish engulfing here, which means another demand zone in this area here, right? So again, go retrace down all the way back to this demand zone before eventually shooting up back here. Okay, but then but after that, if you look at this zone over here, okay, so this one is a strong SNR area over here. Okay, so if we take a look from here, this one is a resistance area. Okay, so once you break up, you create a support over here. Okay, support until today this particular candle here, okay, break up and close below this zone, SNR zone here. Okay, so once it break and close below this zone over here, okay, then go make a multiple attempt, retested back to this zone here. Okay, one time rejected, second time, third time, fourth time, eventually dropping back down all the way here. Okay, so next what we can observe is if we put a zone over here, okay, this one is a support zone over here. Okay, as well as there is another new demand zone over here. Okay, so let's take a look whether gold will actually respect this particular zone or not. Okay, this one is a demand zone area zone, right? So let's see if gold were to respect this zone, you will actually bounce back out from here. Okay, otherwise if you still bearish, you will actually break through, close, and then before you can actually head down lower to this next zone over here. Okay, so again, if you take a look at the overall gold market again, if you go to the daily time frame, okay, then you put a zone over here. Okay, so in the daily from here, gold is still actually hovering in this zone over here, this strong SNR zone, support and resistance in the daily time frame. Okay, this one is a multiple support here, break up, resistance as well as this area over here. Okay, so in order for gold to go down, it must first actually break up and close below this zone before it can actually head down higher. Okay, otherwise we might actually see gold to respect this zone before it bouncing back up higher. All right, so let's take a look. As usual, follow me on Telegram channel DTA International Academy for more information and daily gold update. All right, so see you guys there.